Hi everyone, it's Trevor Olenek from GNR Camping World in sunny Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We are continuing on with our 2022 virtual RV sale. Unfortunately, we could not have a show this year, an RV show at the convention center, because of the current conditions, you know, with the, I don't have to say it, we all know what's going on, but we're trying to keep everyone safe. We're trying to do this by appointment, so we will have all our contact information. If you want to come in and have a look around, we are going to offer savings from not having to go into the shows. The shows are very expensive, so we're going to pass all those savings on to our customers. So right now what we have here is this 2022 leisure travel van. This is the holy grail of this type of unit, the Class B or B plus van, travel van as you will. These are built right here, not in Winnipeg, but in Winkler, Manitoba by Triple E. So we are very proud to be a dealer, very honored and proud to be a dealer. We are proud to say this is made in Canada. It is built on the Mercedes chassis, Mercedes-Benz diesel. It's a V6 diesel. I won't go through all the specs. We're going to keep these videos as short as possible. But, you know, when Dean from Leisure Travel Vans does these videos, he does nice, long, detailed videos, extremely professional, very well done. He gives a lot of specs, plus their website. So, and again, call us to come in. Normally these take a year to a year and a half to produce. If you order one today, it's a year. We are lucky this was a canceled order and we have this here now ready for delivery ASAP. So that's great news. All right, this is built on the Mercedes chassis, as I mentioned, diesel. They also build the Wonder on the Ford Transit chassis, gasoline chassis as well. So this is the Mercedes-Benz, and this is the upscale Mercedes-Benz. This has got the headlight washer and the lane departure warnings and the driver assist and the heated seats and the power seats and everything in here. And then what Leisure Travel Van does is they build the coach on top of this cutaway chassis. Everything from the ground up or from the frame up is all Leisure Travel Van and all built to top quality. You simply cannot get any better. Notice the frameless windows. Just a beautiful, sleek look. And this is the champagne exterior. I'm just going to jump out of the way here, let you get a better look at that. This is the champagne exterior, just stunning with that black and the champagne there. It's unbelievable. The power awning with the LED lights, and this is a legless awning or an armless awning, if you will. It comes straight out and it is wind sensing on this model. So if it starts getting windy, it automatically retracts. Very nice. What else we got? Oh, the aluminum rims. This is the Alcoa Durabright aluminum rims. This is an option. A lot of things are optional on here, but they're great options to have. What else? The power step, we can look at that when we go closer there. This is a huge storage compartment here. You can fit a couple sets of golf clubs in here, and you can see the table there. I don't know if you can see that with the holes in it. That's a steel table. Powder coated, that hooks onto the side rails over here, and you've got a table at your work site or at your campsite. So a work table at your campsite. When you close all of these doors, and all of these storage compartment doors have a nice positive latching mechanism. Okay, very, very durable, very solidly latching. That's the one thing you see all kinds of motorhomes going down the road and their doors are flapping all over the place. The rear mask, we've got a backup camera that's nice, neatly tucked in there. You can barely see it, but that is a backup camera there. And then even the logo here, even for the Leisure Travel Vans, the logo is just elegant and just unbelievable. We have a hitch, of course, for towing. We have a hitch that can tow up to 5,000 pounds. Got to watch your cargo, and this does have, on the other side here, we're not going to go on this side too much, but on the other side is the tankless hot water heater. This is the Truma AquaGo Plus hot water heater, tankless, on-demand, continuous, non-stop hot water. So let's go inside. Again, we're not going to go over too much detail here just because we're trying to keep these videos short. Again, Leisure Travel Vans, Dean, he does great videos. Power step. Oh, I've got it locked out right now, so it doesn't matter. Anyways, this is a power step as you, and you can lock it out so you're not waiting for it to come as you're going in and out at the campsite. Okay, the lighted, secure grab handles here. They're all backlit for your safety. And we have, I'm just going to turn on a few more lights here. Ta-da, this is it. This is the Unity, so it's a Leisure Travel Van U24MB, which is the Murphy bed. Now, the Murphy bed is exactly what it sounds like. This is a Murphy bed, so during the day, you fold the bed up. The bed is actually behind here, okay? Bed's back here. Now during the day, we've got a great seating area. And this is a multifunctional seating area. They turn around, you can put a table, this table folds down. There's a little cocktail table for watching. I'm not gonna go through all that again. Dean's videos show that very, very well. But if you wanna kick back, there's even these stools that pull out. You can relax. Have a look at the TV area right here too, okay? You've got a nice flat screen TV, got a little fire going in the lake. That's what you should be looking at right now instead of this -30 outside here, but that's okay. Now, if you do the Murphy bed, it's going to be in the way, right? So what they've done, there we go. Now we've got the TV popped up, and if you're laying in bed, you can watch TV. So you got 2 different viewing areas here, which is just unbelievable. Okay, this the interior leather, ultra leather, is actually in the pebble color that you see it here. And you do get to choose when you order one. If you're going to order one, you do get to choose the color interior. They have about 2 or 3 different colors, so it's great. As you can see, the seat swivels around, both of them do. And that is the upgraded chassis with all the big screen on there and all the controls on the steering wheel and all the emergency braking and lane departure assist and all the good safety features that make this just an incredible driving machine. That little thing on the floor, there's a little table that can go in between here. Again, it's optional, but you can have that. And while you're driving, or if you turn them around, you got a little cocktail table, whatever you need it for. Now, just one more little thing. I know this video is going to be longer than normal because there's so much to see in here. You've got a little safe in here. This one has got the very, very top secret code of 1234. And it's going to open. Boop, there it is. Lighted inside as well. You can order this with or without solar, and this does have solar. This has 400 watts of solar on the roof, and you can either go, no, you don't have to have any, or you can go 200 watts or you can go 400 watts. This actually has the 400 watts. Okay, again, the Murphy bed folds down. You can leave it fully made up. It's fantastic, it's great. It's very simple and easy, and Dean will show you all that in his videos. We have a Blu-ray CD player included in this machine as well, plus the sound bar to go along with the TV, the Blu-ray. It is a complete entertainment system for sure. I want to show you the kitchen area, the galley, if you will. So we've got Antarctica white Corian countertops. So again, very, very high end, and a matching sink cover to go as well. And this is the thick stuff. It's not the thin stuff. A lot of times they go a lot thinner. This is the thick. I believe it's 3/8 of an inch thick, if I'm not mistaken. Integrated in this particular model, we've got the integrated trash can. Out of the way, very easy to use. Even little solutions like this. You got your racks and things for towels and soap and whatever. It's all included here. Even a countertop extension in the matching Corian as well. Okay. This is one of my favorite things. This is just so creative and inventive. If you're on this side, here you go, you want to get into the fridge. But let's say someone's in the way, or you're on the other side here. Here we go. We go into here, and then we got both opening, and they do the same on the freezer as well. It opens both ways. How many fridges have you seen do that? This is a 3-way fridge as well. So it is gas, electric, and 12 volt. We do have inverters in this as well. So you do have inverted power. If we go with the lithium batteries, so that's also another option. You can have regular batteries or lithium. If you go with the lithium, your microwave will actually be on the inverter, so you can even run your microwave while you're not plugged in at a campsite, which is great. Air conditioning. A lot of smaller units have not ducted air conditioning, just a little blowing unit that blows out of the ceiling. This is a ducted, fully ducted air conditioner. In fact, you don't even see the air conditioning unit because the return ducts are here, and these are forced air ducts that go through the unit. And it's a 15,000 BTU unit. Sometimes you want to take these in hot locations or use them a little colder. Big furnace in here too. Bathroom. Huge bathroom. This is one of the top selling features. Storage, bathroom, usable space. Get a load of this. We've got a ton of space, automatic lighted cabinetry in here as well. This is the maple, by the way. They call this Vancouver maple. So this is the maple, and you get to choose your color. See, again, we got more storage. We have a pantry here. and it actually pulls out and accessible from both sides as well. They've really, and this is what they do the best job of anybody in doing creative storage solutions. Even here, you know, we've got a little bit of storage here. Fantastic fans, removes a lot of air. There's one in the main living area. You've got the rinser on the toilet there. Porcelain toilet, by the way. Huge shower, and residential style fixtures, not cheap RV style fixtures. Even this little thing here, swing down a little drying rack for your towels or whatever you need to dry in there. Medicine cabinet, everything. And even the Corian countertop has continued through into the bathroom. Okay, there is a lot more. Generator, solar, all these things are all optional, but they are loaded. This one is pretty loaded up. So if you are interested in this one, I would hurry up. Honestly, these things move very quickly because they take a year to a year and a half to build. This one was ordered actually almost a year and a half ago. So, okay, we're done. I'm going to stop talking. Watch Dean's videos. He does a much better job than I'll ever do. Contact us if you want to come and look at this or any of our other great RVs. In the month of February, we can set up appointments for you. 204-233-4478. You can text or call that number or email us at sales@gnrcw.com. Thank you.